we'll use a tool that looks like this and we'll try to pull out that square shaped plastic cover right there. Once the cover is out, notice there's that screw that we have to take out using a Phillips screwdriver. While taking out the screw, notice the screw gets stuck, so you may need another tool to pull out the screw while taking it out. And there you notice the screw is taken out. Now we'll use a plastic trim remover tool like this and we'll try to punch in the tool to take out that plastic cover right there. There you notice that plastic cover taken out. From the underneath, notice there's that spot right there. So what I'll do is I'll use a plastic trim remover tool like this. We'll punch in the tool right here and then pull the door panel outwards. We have to make sure the tool is in enough. Once the tool is in, then we will pull out the door panel. Just like that, you would notice the door panel is pulled out from the underneath. We'll also need to pull out the door panel from the other side. Once all the corners of the door panel are pulled out, only then we'll grab the door panel and then pull it outwards, just like that. We'll take out the first plug right there, just press and hold that tab of the plug and then pull the plug outwards. There's the plug taken out. Now we'll take out the inner door handle, which is right here. You see it has that tab right there. We'll press that tab and then pull out the inner door handle. There's the door handle taken out. Now the final thing will be to take out these two plugs right there. Here I'm showing from a different angle. We'll press and hold that tab of the plug and then pull the plug outwards. Plug is out. Again, just to show you guys one more time. Press and hold this tab right there and then pull the plug outwards. Similar way, we'll take out the other plug. We'll press the tab right there in the middle and then pull the plug outwards. There it is. Once both plugs are taken out, with that we are done taking out the door panel completely. In case if you want to put back the door panel, just reverse the steps of takeout and you should be fine. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.